With an instant hot water dispenser from InSinkErator, you can have filtered, near boiling water right at your sink. And it's easy to install by following these easy steps. Step 1. Preparation. Identify the location for the dispenser faucet and tank. Now, check to make sure your counter is 3 inches thick or less. There is proper clearance for the dispenser handles to be fully opened, and there is a grounded electrical outlet under the sink. Turn off the water supply. Step 2. Installing the faucet. First, unpack the dispenser components, and on a firm, flat surface, carefully straighten the copper tubing. Next, ensure that the black O-ring is properly seated in the base of the dispenser head. Now, feed the tubes down through the hole in the sink or countertop until the base is at rest on the sink or countertop surface. Add the circular mounting plate and hex nut onto the threaded stud, making sure the faucet is at the desired angle. Secure the faucet by tightening the nut by hand. Then, use the supplied hex tool to complete tightening. Step 3. Mounting the tank. Select a spot under the sink where the tank can be mounted vertically within reach of both plumbing and electrical connections. Mark screw locations on the side of the cabinet. Now, pre-drill 1/8 inch pilot holes at the marks. Turn the screws into the pre-drilled holes, leaving about a 1/4 inch exposed. Hang the tank on the screws. Then, tighten the screws, but do not over-tighten. Step 4. Connecting the faucet to the tank. Connect the blue, white, and clear tubes onto the corresponding fitting on the tank. Push the blue tube connector down until it clicks into place. Finally, check to make sure there are no pinched or crimped tubes. Step 5. Final water connection. Install a T-fitting onto the existing cold water supply line. It is recommended to install a dedicated water control valve with a 1/4 inch compression fitting. Connect the copper inlet tubing to the T-fitting using the compression nut. Next, turn on the water supply. Finally, open the hot water faucet to fill the tank until water flows through the spout. Plug the cord into the grounded electrical outlet, which will begin heating the water. And that's just how easy it is to install an instant hot water dispenser from InSinkErator.